Welcome everybody, this is your host Ali Rathor from TechRed TV and here with a quick tutorial for Laravel 12 Filament 3.2. In this quick tutorial, if you've added your resource, for example by default it's users, and you want to change the sidebar label for this one. So I'm going to zoom in. So if you want to change this to, let's say, user management, how you can do it. So for a quick solution, open your code and go to app Filament resources and you'll go to user resource. So by default, if you've seen our other tutorials, we're working on this file. So open this file inside the class after the hero icon, because you might not have the bottom these three strings. For these ones you have to look at our other tutorials. Press enter and I'm going to change the name of this label. So copy it and we're going to use $ navigation label equals to, I'm going to name it user management. How about that? I'm going to save it, come back, press F5, and you can see here that the label has been changed from users to user management. So it doesn't matter what the file name is and what the class name is. If you want to change the label, you can use this string. And that's how you can change and customize your label. This was a short tutorial. I hope it will help you guys in customizing your admin panel for Filament 3.2, 3.0 and above. And don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon and follow for more. And you can support our channel by joining our Patreon. This is your host Ali Rathor from TechRed TV. Don't forget to comment, ask questions, and if you want a tutorial, just send us a message comment section and we'll surely help you guys out. Take care and bye-bye.